Good day everyone, my name is Rosalie Noblefranca, and for this video I will be performing the surgical gowning and gloving. So the purpose of surgical gowning and gloving is to prevent contamination to the surgical wound and also to help control infection via aseptic principles. Preparing the gowns and gloves. Allow the circulating nurse to open the outer package of the sterile gown and gloves. In this part, I have allowed the circulating nurse to open the packaging using a sterile forceps. The circulating nurse also put down the surgical gloves on the table. Donning of the surgical gown. I have picked up the gown beneath the neckband at the armholes and avoiding touching the sterile field and the outer surface of the gown. Now I have moved away a bit from the table while holding the gown from the body at the arm's length, and I have allowed the gown to unfold from the top going down. Now, ensuring that the gown does not touch the floor or any unsterile object, I have opened the gown with armholes facing myself and slid my arm parts away into the sleeves of the gown. In here, I have asked and obtained assistance of my circulating nurse. And bended sideways for the circulating nurse to grasp the ties and offers the end of ties to him. And always make sure that no part of the hand protrudes from the sleeves cuffs. And to make sure, grasp the inside seam at the juncture of the gown sleeve and cuff using the thumb and your index finger. I have opened the inner sterile gloves package with the hand covered by the sterile gown cuffs. I have picked up the first glove by the cuff and I have started gloving my non-dominant hand first. I have positioned the glove on the forearm with the cuff facing the hand, and I gloved my fingers towards the elbow slowly. A while ago, I have placed the glove's rolled cuff edge at the seam that connects the sleeve to the gown cuff. I grasped the bottom rolled cuff edge of the glove with the thumb and index finger, and I grasped the uppermost edge of the glove's cuff as well with the opposite hand while holding the hand's glove's cuff edge with one hand. And I made sure that I avoided exposing my bare fingers. Now that I have put my first glove properly, now I will be moving on to putting the second glove in the same manner using the hand that is now gloved already. And then ensure that no part of the skin has touched the outside surface of the gloves when gloving is completed. And then check to make sure that each gown cuff is secured and covered completely by the cuff of the glove, and adjust the fingers of the glove as necessary to fit snugly. Now let us proceed to gowning and gloving another team member. I have grasped the gown near the neckband using the thumb and index finger of each hand and roll the gown so that the outside surface is over the gloved hand. I have ensured that the armholes are facing the team member that is being gowned. I offer the inside of the gown to the second scrub team member and allow the scrub team member to slip her arms into the sleeves. Now that the circulating nurse is still assisting our second scrubbed team member, I am now preparing the right glove by unfolding the glove's cuff and also by introducing air into the gloves and never blow into the gloves. So grasp the right glove firmly at the waist level and keep the thumb extended outwards and the fingers covered by the glove cuff. Now I will move forward and one foot to the rear while stretching the glove open, and I will repeat the same technique for the next hand. Removing the gown and the gloves. Allow the circulating nurse to untie the neck and back ties. Now grasp the gown at the shoulders and pull the gown forward and down over the arms and gloved hands. Position the arms away from the body and now fold the gown so that the outside of the gown is folded. Now discard the gown into the linen hamper and then grasp the outer surface of the one glove with the other gloved hand and pulls off the glove. And then place the fingers of the ungloved hand inside the cuff of the gloved hand and pulls off the glove. And lastly is to discard the glove into the designated receptacle.